name is Nagar from the Learn with Mans. Today I am going to discuss about the one of the integration process, and before I want to explain you, if you are looking for end-to-end integrations, specialization books, configuration with theory, you can get back to me. So today I am going to discuss with one of the very quickly brief topic, quality management process. So in the quality management process, let's take an example, cosmetic products. Okay, so whenever we are going to place the cosmetic products, for an example, in the production site, or we have the integrated quality inspection process or simple process. So I want to place some of the product, but I want to perform the quality inspection process. So in that situation, the best practices is we can put the products into the handling units, and after taking inside our warehouse, we perform the quality inspection process. So as we know, different warehouse process types like 30-60 at the time of unloading. Then when we move the product from the reception area or internal location, staging area, to staging area we have inside the warehouse reception. Outside the also we have the staging area where we place some of the products, okay, inside the handling unit or on the some kind of wooden pallets directly, depends upon the whenever we move the product to the work center for the quality inspection, and it depends upon the product to product. If we want to scrap, we send to the scrap zone. Different warehouse process type would be triggered. If you want to move that product to the finance storage type section, then different like process type, warehouse process type, task would be triggered. In the both the situation, the main common thing is here, we work with the process oriented storage controls, okay, because this is a specific process we are going to perform in the warehouse in the quality inspection process. So very simple, we have the IP01 unloading, because we have to upload, and quality inspection process standard, which is the QIS, and then IP03. Either we are going to send this product to the hierarchy storage type, pallet storage type, open area, whatever we are going to, after testing pass, we are going to move, or we are going to perform the scrap when we have the production process. So if you are looking for training, consulting supports, optimizations, some of the suggestions, supports, also the in-depth trainings, books, and get back to me, okay, and I will help you. Thank you very much, guys.